Financing to purchase a home and tax treatment upon sale of a home by a non-resident alien can be different than that for a U.S. citizen or a resident alien. For typical financing, a non-resident alien must usually have a work visa that is renewable for 3 years. An L1 or an H1 visa would fit this description. The reason is that Fannie Mae and FHA apply a 3-year test to determine if income is likely to continue in the future. Depending upon a lender, a trade NAFTA visa may also be acceptable. If you have the correct work visa, you still must follow Fannie Mae or FHA guidelines to secure financing for your purchase. Applicants meeting this criteria are eligible for standard Fannie Mae or FHA financing with minimum down payment scenarios. If financing is not needed, a non-resident alien does not have to concern themselves with visa status. But further regulations on a federal and state level may apply to the purchase of large tracts of land, agricultural properties, commercial and multifamily properties. They can also be affected by existing tax treaties other countries may have with the U.S. Finally, tax treatment upon sale of a property by a non-resident alien can be different from the treatment received by U.S. citizens or resident aliens. Under a 1980 tax law called the Foreign Investment Real Estate Act, sales of all U.S. real estate interests are to be reported to the IRS, and every buyer and title company must collect from every seller 10% of the gross sales price for the payment of taxes. The law assumes that all sellers of properties are foreign nationals. So all sellers, both U.S. citizens and foreign nationals, are asked to certify that they are not non-resident aliens. Remember, a citizen, resident alien, and non-resident alien may all possess a Social Security number. The key is whether the seller has been a taxpayer with a Social Security number. I've asked title companies how they approach this issue and have been told if the seller possesses a Social Security number, it is presumed they are a taxpayer, and the Foreign Investment Real Estate Property Act for 10% withholding will not apply. However, I encourage any foreign national classified as a non-resident alien to verify their tax status under the Foreign Investment Real Estate Act and any other tax treaties that may apply. I'm John Shellington, the real estate expert you can rely on. Give me a call. My direct line is 713-248-2498.